In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete calendars on Google Calendar. Whether you're looking to clean up your schedule or simply remove an old or unnecessary calendar, the process is straightforward. Let's walk through the steps to ensure that your digital calendar remains clutter-free and organized. First, make sure to access Google Calendar on a computer for a smoother experience. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand sidebar where your calendars are listed under the My Calendars section. This is where you'll find the calendar you want to delete. Hover your cursor over the specific calendar's name that you wish to remove. As you do this, you'll notice a familiar icon appears on the right side, those three little dots stacked vertically, which is commonly known as the More Options or Settings menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens a menu where you need to select Settings and Sharing. Once you're within the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll see an option that says Delete. This action not only helps in removing the unwanted calendar, but also all the associated events within it. Before you proceed, a word of caution. Deleting a calendar is a permanent action. Once you confirm the deletion, all events tied to this calendar will be irretrievably removed. Therefore, it's wise to double check and ensure this is indeed what you want to do. If you're ready to go ahead, click on Delete, and a final prompt will appear asking if you are certain about your decision. To finalize, press Permanently Delete. This confirmation step acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions, ensuring that no important information is lost in the spur of the moment. If you don't see the option to delete the calendar, it might be because the calendar is not one that you've created or have ownership of. In this case, you might want to consider hiding the calendar from your list or asking the owner to delete it. And there you have it. You've successfully cleaned up your Google Calendar, removing any unnecessary clutter that might have been looming in your schedule. Remember, keeping your calendar organized not only makes it easier to manage your time, but also reduces the likelihood of missing important events or appointments. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. If you have any more questions or need additional help with Google Calendar, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy organizing, and thank you for watching.